Hello and welcome to another update video about EGLD. So while Bitcoin is pushing towards, well, above 42k now, what a day, what a start to the week, actually what a weekend, right? EGLD did what we wanted it to do. It broke out of this triangle structure to the upside. I am assuming at the moment that wave 5 is unfolding. Last few days I made a video and highlighted that a breakout to the upside here is very likely. By the time I had made the last video, we hadn't seen any signals of a breakout, but what we were watching for at that time was for a rally, because the triangle was technically complete. Yeah, so remember that we are we were watching this as a wave 4 triangle with all waves complete. Okay, and actually quite a nice structure that actually shows here all the waves pretty nicely defined. A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and E wave. And then after that E wave was complete, basically here a fifth wave to the upside. Okay, that was the expectation. That seems to be unfolding right now. I haven't got a very good view of the microstructure here, but we don't need it. We've got our Fibonacci levels that we can use. But we possibly have a very small 1-2 setup down there, maybe another small 1-2, and we could be going. The thing is, there are different ways of how this can be understood. In the most simple form, this was the wave 1. This here was the wave 2. This here was the wave 3. This here was the wave 4. Also fits quite well in terms of the length of the relevant waves. And we're basically now in the fifth wave. There is another more bullish scenario in which this here was the wave 1. This here was the wave 2. That's another 1-2 setup, which only topped here in the 3. Then this is a 4, 5, 3, 4, or 4, 5. So basically it gets another 4, 5 pattern. Yeah. So basically that we only just now in the third wave. And then I get a 4 and a 5. So that it basically will do another 4, 5 pattern before completing. Possible. Okay, and I want to specifically highlight that this is possible. Not my primary at the moment, because first of all, we haven't even exhausted this pattern. And look at the length of that wave 4. It just matches very well the length of that main wave 2. So, that's why I'm focused on higher, but don't necessarily assume at the moment that we get another 4-5 pattern, even though of course possible. So we won't want to rule it out, and we're going to track the micro support levels along the way. But most importantly, we had here a nice setup for higher. And this I explained to you. I don't think I need to change targets. No. So target range starts at basically $59. That would, however, be a very shallow wave 5. So it would be preferred actually to reach the 61.8 extension level in this fifth wave. That's at $72.50. That is pretty much in line with this Fibonacci resistance level at $74.50. So we have basically here a potential Elliott wave triangle in a wave 4 with a wave 5 to come. And from a target point of view, we get a projection that seems to be likely at $72.50. From a Fibonacci retracement point of view, which indicates the resistances along the way, we also have here $74.50, so there's a bit of confluence. Of course, if we break above that, we need to look at the next extension targets and so on. Obviously, $100 will be a key one. That's also the 1-to-1 ratio, things like that. But yeah, all I can say is that at the moment, I assume we are in this fifth wave, but I can't fully confirm it until we really get a break above the third wave high. That was at $53.50. That was the high that was made here on the 5th of November. Yeah, we haven't broken that. We haven't even broken that, even though it seems likely that we are breaking it. But at the moment, it could technically still be that this is just some kind of a weird ABC structure. And until we have made actually the fifth wave, it's not really confirmed. This could all still be part of a fourth wave. Fourth waves are oftentimes characterized by fake outs, so just be aware of that. But yeah, overall going according to plan at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those channels in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.